Back for more? Your car is still hiding secrets, and we've got 4 more features you probably never noticed. Number 1. Valet Mode. Handing your keys to a valet? Valet Mode locks your infotainment, disables trunk access, and limits speed, keeping your info and your ride safe. Number 2. Speed Sensing Auto Lock. Some cars auto-lock once you hit a certain speed. What most people don't know? You can turn this feature on or off in your settings, if you dig deep enough. Number 3. Hidden Storage Compartments. Check under the seats, floor mats, or even in the trunk walls. Many cars hide bonus storage compartments, perfect for emergency gear, tools, or snacks. Number 4. Turn Signal Lane Change Tap. Want to signal a lane change without locking the stalk down? A quick tap gives you 3 blinks. Many modern cars will flash the indicator 3 to 7 times automatically, so your hands stay on the wheel and your focus stays on the road. Quick recap. Valet Mode. Speed Lock Toggle. Secret Storage. Lane Change Signal Tap. Your car's loaded with features no one ever explains. But we do. Smash like if you learned something new, and hit subscribe so you never miss a hidden feature again.